What's good, y'all? It is BTC the Villain back with another unboxing. Let's get right into it. All right. Before I get to the unboxing, I want to show you guys. I got this shoe from Sneaker. I don't know what site it was. I got it from like Kicks Deals, and they said it was like a shock drop or something. But yeah, other than that, let's get into the review. Get into the box, you guys. You see ice cream, Bubba Chuck flavor, and got Iverson's logo with the ice cream logos. You see the ice cream dude with the Iverson braids. Let's have some. Get into the side. You see it's from Reebok, question low, size 13. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that colorway, but here you go. On the side it says, Pledge of Purity, replays the ice cream is a new fashion forward staple item packed with delivered with plenty of flavor. Ice cream. Okay. Flip open the top. Oh, what's it? Oh, shit. Are these extra these must be the extra laces. Okay. This little packet. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you see them in there. Okay, so as we flip, oh, the paper, I3 and the diamonds. Okay, that's dope too. Okay, so getting to the shoe, I picked up the green page. Okay, let me take the other shoe out real quick. All right, took these out the box. These are the Icecream and Reebok collab, the question low, and these kind of, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really feeling them. Like I was trying to count for resale, even though there isn't that much resale value. But I mean, it's kind of grew on me now that I got them in hand. They got purple laces. They got the little green hits. They got the little purple suede. I've never had a pair of Reeboks like ever, so this is new for me too. All right, getting into a little bit of review. I got the green suede toe. It's perforated. I got a green little hit here. Green hit on the back with the question logo. This is kind of a nubuck. It's kind of like a lavender nubuck. The top is also that nubuck, and it's a cream. The inside is that cream. White midsole with the white pods. And the outsole is kind of yellow. Yellow translucent outsole. Got the Reebok here. Reebok's in green, the logo's in pink. Standard cream laces. They also have the lavender laces, and I showed you guys they also have the red or pink laces in here. Taking a look inside the shoe, that's where the laces are stuffed, but the insole has the dogs from the ice cream logo inside, and it's also stuffed with that paper in there. And there you have it, guys. Just a little quick look at these, quick unboxing, and I have to admit, I might keep these. I actually like them. I tried to hit on the purple pair, they sold out. Tried to hit on the pink pair, they sold out. But this green and purple, I don't know what it is, bro. It might be the materials, might be the collab itself, but I mean, I might be keeping these. These are kind of dope. I'll hold on to them for a little bit. If I find an outfit for them, I'll put them on. I'll keep these. But yeah, there you have it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.